the Minister for Local Government, Honourable Parveen Bala. Niranjan's Autoport, who have through this project supplied us.
District Officer, Nadi, the CEO and staffs of Nadi Town Council, Honourable Prem Singh has just arrived, senior government officials, the President of the Nadi Chamber of Commerce, Dr. Raju, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, and of course members of the media. It gives me great pleasure to be here this morning for the official handing over ceremony of the new compactor truck donated by the government of Japan. This is not the first time that the machinery is donated by the government of Japan to the Nadi Town Council, as they have donated in past a multi-purpose truck, a shredder machine, mini excavator, and other machinery essential for managing of waste within the municipality. The Nadi Town Council, through its solid waste management master plan that was developed with the assistance of JICA in 2012 under the Waste Minimization and Recycling Promotion Project, conducted in the municipalities of Nadi and Lautoka, are very much focused towards sound practice of its waste management. The government of Japan also, through JICA, have from 2008 to 2012 helped the municipality conduct surveys to collect data, provided technical and educational training on the job both in Fiji and in Japan to the staffs, and provided the council with the much needed plant and machineries to sustain the programs. And I thank the government and the people of Japan for such assistance rendered to small island countries like ours. I'm also proud to say that I was part of the launch of the Clean Schools program guidebook, which was pioneered by the JICA volunteers with the assistance of the health department staff here in Nadi, and is now into its third edition, which was recognized and accepted by the Ministry of Education to be used by all students of Fiji. I'm also informed that this guidebook is now used by the other regional countries which are supported by the JICA programs in the Pacific. All these activities has been made possible through the generosity of the government and people of Japan in providing financial, technical and educational support to our local municipal council's workforce. Now may I take this opportunity on behalf of the government of Fiji and the people of Fiji and the citizens of Nadi in showing our sincere gratitude for such assistance. Ladies and gentlemen, my Ministry of Local Government, Housing and Environment, through its Challenge Fund, has allocated $755,000 for the works on the new Namaka market as part of the development works to ensure improved infrastructure in this town. And more positive news on the future development works for Nadi will also be announced in the coming months. May I also take this opportunity to welcome the new Nadi Town Council Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Peter Denny. Peter, with his 3 years of banking experience, this is totally a municipal affair, Peter, and 30 years of local government experience, including 10 years of CEO, shall be working closely with the special administrator staffs and the management and the stakeholders in further developing Nadi Town. Your support is certainly looked forward to in this transforming process of Nadi Town. You are really a lucky person, Peter, because we are going to declare Nadi city in 2017, and you will be part of that process. But as I have said earlier on, that there are a lot of work that needs to be done. And this is also a challenge for you as the new CEO of Nadi Town. So ladies and gentlemen, with these few words, once again, I wish to thank you all, and in particular the government of Japan for their assistance. As the SA has stated earlier on, and I have been saying this all over the country, that government of Japan is a very good partner of our beloved nation, and in terms of environment. So once again, Your Excellency, thank you and Vinaka.
Sim, sim, sim.